Do you shop on Walmart? Do you know that millions of people do shop on Walmart? If you don't shop on Walmart, I will teach you what you stand to benefit if you shop on Walmart. Walmart reward its customers with a MasterCard known as Capital One. With this MasterCard, you earn 5% cash back on any product that you purchase from the official website of Walmart. You earn 2% cash back whenever you transact with this your Capital One MasterCard in any of the Walmart store. You earn 2% cash back whenever you pay with your Capital One MasterCard in any restaurant or for any traveling ticket. You earn 1% cash back whenever you make payment with your Capital One MasterCard in any other website. Apart from the cashbacks that you earn as a Walmart customer, you also earn points whenever you pay with your Capital One MasterCard, and you can convert these points into cash and use it to shop for your favorite product in the Walmart official website. There is a lot of benefits that you stand to gain as a Walmart customer. You get security alert, Capital One mobile app, $0 fraud liability, and card lock. This statement could be your marketing strategy to get a potential client to go through your affiliate link and buy product from the official Walmart website, and you earn your commission. Welcome, my name is Omeni Huchukudire. I'm an affiliate marketer. In this channel, I bring you affiliate marketing opportunities just like this one. Do give this video a thumbs up by clicking on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more affiliate marketing videos. In this video, I will walk you step by step on how to sign up as a Walmart affiliate. But before I walk you step by step on how to sign up for the Walmart affiliate marketing program, I would like to share with you the official Walmart commission structure, what you stand to benefit if you promote the Walmart affiliate program. Open the description box of this video and right click on the first link in the description box of this video, and you'll be taken to this next page. When you get to this page, you'll be greeted with the message that says become a Walmart affiliate and by referring customers to walmart.com. Before I continue with this video, I would like us to look into the affiliate commission structure of Walmart. To see the affiliate commission structure of Walmart, move your cursor to the bottom side of the page where it has the option that says benefits. Right click on benefits and you'll be taken to this page. When you get to this page, you will see a message that says the Walmart.com affiliate program helps turn visit to your site into revenue for you. Place link to our product on your website, and when a visitor follows those links to Walmart.com and completes a qualifying purchase, you earn a commission. We make it easy to enter and maintain this partnership by providing you with free membership, the powerful draw of Walmart everyday low price, a great commission structure, see chart below, that pays 1 to 4% with 3 return days, free professionally designed banners, free newsletter with product information and links and ideas for increasing your revenue. Data feeds with information on top selling and exclusive products, contests and extra opportunities to earn commissions, a dedicated team to help you maximize sales. This information that I just read out now is what you stand to benefit as a Walmart affiliate marketer. For the affiliate commission structure, you earn 1 to 4% of any successful sales that you generate to Walmart using your own affiliate link. Move your cursor to the option that says become a member at the bottom left hand side of this page and right click on become a member, and you'll be taken to this page. When you get to this page, you will see this message that says Walmart affiliate program. Make more money from your traffic and audience. We have partnered with Impact to provide with a market-leading performance advertising campaign. Performance advertising is simple. You receive large earnings for promoting high-quality, unique product or service to your audience. As it's been stated in their official affiliate marketing website, their partner for this affiliate marketing program is Impact. Scroll a bit down and you will see another information that says
Complete application. The technology for the Walmart affiliate program is provided by Impact. Please fill out this information to complete your application. Scroll a bit down and enter your first name, your last name, your email address. Confirm your email address. Select your username, password. Confirm your password. Scroll a bit down to where it has option that says company information. Select your account display name, which should be your username. Select your website. Select your countries. Enter your street address. Enter your city. Enter your state. Enter your zip code. Enter your phone number. Move down to the option where it says time zone. Select your time zone. Move down to the option that says bank location country. Select the country where your bank account is located. When you select your bank country, the next option that says currency, the currency will be automatically changed into your own country currency. If you want to change this option, right-click on this box and select the preferred currency you want to get paid with. Move down to where it says promotional method, primary promotional method. Right-click inside the box towards the right-hand side of the page and select the option in this drop-down box that says content. On the next option, it says secondary promotional method. Select the option that says social media influencer. The next option says promoting countries. Right-click inside the box to select your preferred promoting country. The next option says media properties. The first option says property type, and there is a box beside it towards the right hand side that says website. Right under the website, you will see the next box under it, and at the left hand side you will see the option that says property name. On the property name, you will have to enter your website name. On the next option that says URL, you need to enter the URL to your website. The next option says description. Right-click inside this box and enter a description on how you intend to promote the Walmart affiliate product. The next option says agreement. Make sure you read all these agreements, the terms of use, and scroll down to the bottom of the page where it says by clicking sign up, I confirm that I have read, understand, acknowledge, and accept the foregoing terms and the program terms, and I agree to be bound by them. Check inside this box and right-click on the option that says Submit Application. Your application will be successfully submitted to Impact, the official Walmart affiliate program partner. And you will be taken to this next page. On this next page, you will see an information that says, please activate your account. Thank you for submitting an application to create an account with Walmart.com. Before we can review your account, we must verify your email address. A verification message has been sent to the following email address. The email address you entered during the registration will be stated. You must open this email and click on the activation link within 5 days. By doing so, your login will be activated and your application will be submitted for review. Once your account has been approved, you will be able to start promoting Walmart.com. This message is self-explanatory. You have to open your email address and right-click on the link sent into your email inbox by Walmart or Impact, the official Walmart affiliate program partner. And once you do that, you have 5 days to complete that action. Once you have successfully completed that action by clicking on the link in your email address, your account will be on its way to be activated. Once your account has been successfully activated, log in with your registered email address and password. Once you have successfully logged into your account with your registered email address and password, you'll be able to locate your affiliate link right inside your dashboard. Make sure you pay close attention to your dashboard. Read every information in your dashboard and be very careful with Impact in your dashboard, because Impact is a very strict partner when it comes to the affiliate program. Any little mistake from you, they will lock your account.
Click on the next video showing up on your screen right now to know how you can get your own share from the Target Affiliate Marketing Program.